This is the LIS software where you can set up new experiments. So there's several panels. So on this first panel, this is experiments where you can add a new experiment. When you click that button, it gives you this new dialog box where you can give it the experiment a name. You can select your LIS drive, which I'm going to select this one here, this active. Then I have to put in a fill volume. This can be up to 25,000 microliters. So this is in microliters. So I'm going to put in 20,000 microliters. And then I'm going to use the default parameter set. I will show how to set up other parameters in later videos. And then I'm going to click on profile. And then I have to set up my profile. So I select the example profile. And again, I will show you all how to set up profiles in another video. So in this profile, we have a volume change over several hours. So we're going to add this many mils at hour 1, and then we're going to wait 2 hours. So this is a delay. Then we're going to have a linear increase from hour 3 to hour 13, going up to 6 mils, or a total of 5 mils over this linear. So you can see this 5,000 microliters over 10 hours with a 2-hour delay, and then a 1-hour delay before the 1,000 microliter single shot. So once you're happy with all of this, you can click save, and then we'll look on our test experiment, and everything is green. And so if we want to start the experiment, we can just click the start button.